Okay, so let's do a hard reset for this Nokia 3.1A from AT&T prepaid. Let's with the phone power off, and you need to have your phone connected with the wall charger or your computer from the USB, and in order to do the factory reset with external keys. Okay, and you actually need to show your battery that is charging, and remove any external memory card or SIM card in case that you have anything stored in the and so you can save them, because everything is going to be deleted with this hard reset. And it's important to understand that your pictures, videos, contacts, any downloaded applications and games, music, you're gonna be deleted unless you did a backup with your Google account, with the same Google account. You will be able to restore after this hard reset. And also, it is very important that you know your Google associated with this phone, like email and password, because after the factory reset, you will have to confirm or verify Google in order to proceed and get to the home screen. So if you fail to if you cannot verify or confirm Google, you won't be able to use your phone. So just be careful with that. And with the phone power off, you're gonna use volume up and power key. You're gonna press these two buttons together for almost 15 seconds, and then you're gonna see the Android package or robot showing on the screen. Then release both keys. On some other Nokias, you just press the volume up and power key, and as soon as the Android logo appears here, just release immediately both keys, and then just press um, power key, and then press once the volume up, and a reset menu gonna appear on your screen. On this phone, Nokia 3.1A, the model number is on the description of this video on the comment section. So we're gonna start. Okay, just too much information, but I think it's important. Okay, we're gonna start with volume up and power key. Okay, Android logo appears. Continue holding volume up and power key. Okay, you're gonna see the Android robot on the screen and release both keys. Okay, and now you're gonna press power key and then volume up just once, boom boom, and release. And you're gonna show a recovery menu on the screen, and then release the power key. Okay, so power, volume up, power, volume up. There you go. So you will see that the first it didn't work. Just uh, do it again. So remember, power and then volume up, but press properly. I didn't press properly, that's why I didn't give in the menu at the first time. So power, volume up, release, press, release. Okay. Now using volume down, you're gonna highlight wipe data factory reset, press power key. Next step is to confirm. We already went through steps. Everything is gonna be deleted on the phone's memory. Press power key to confirm. Okay, reboot system now automatic highlight. Press power key. At this point, the file reset has been already performed. And here it's gonna take up to 8 minutes for the phone to um, properly reboot and take us to the initial setup screen, where we're gonna select language, register Google account, or confirm Google, or open a new account. Follow the steps to get to the home screen. Okay, so just be patient. And sometimes if you experience a lot of drop calls, or um, your phone just going off by itself, um, or get stuck on the Nokia logo, most of the time, most of the cases is the motherboard, the one that is not working properly. So if that is your case, you can do a hard reset, because that helps a lot to calibrate the motherboard, and you can do a hard reset up to 8 times if possible. Okay, and just make sure that you know your Google account associated with your phone and do a backup with your pictures, videos, contacts, everything, so you can so you won't lose any of those important documents. And after, with the same Google account, you will be able to restore everything. Okay, so just so you know. All right, so here we are on the initial setup screen, which is, that means that everything went through perfectly. And just open the link on the description of this video or on the comment section, in just in case that you need help with program, programming step by step until you get to the home screen. Okay, thanks so much for choosing my video. Any other questions, let me know in comments, and please subscribe to my channel. And just in case that you need any other help in the future, I have other tutorials related to this smartphone. Okay, thank you.